Hey guys, to further explain how energy works, I'm gonna give you my own example from yesterday. So, you know that yesterday I went on my pub quiz. So, I go to pub quiz just one, and it's every second Saturday. For those of you who don't know, I don't know why this information is relevant, but just making an introduction. Yeah, that's what I do. So, yesterday I went with that friend of mine that I told you she was like really not into me, and now she totally is. And she even now goes to the quiz with me. But this is not about her, it's about another person from that pub quiz. So, there is this guy in our team that how should I put it, that can be really difficult to deal with. So yesterday, I brought new people, obviously, this girl and her boyfriend and another friend. And I don't know what happened. He was acting really bizarre. He did not like them, blah, 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 whatever. And he just went home in the middle of the pub quiz, and then he sent me a message on my WhatsApp, and he says that he's out of the team, and that's like it. And I was like, whatever. I did not answer him. I merely blocked his number on WhatsApp. I was like, who cares, right? And then I also went and blocked him on Instagram, even though we don't follow each other there. But just in case he would try to contact me on Instagram because he can't contact me here. And I was like, I'm done with this guy. It's over, whatever. So I will first tell you that before that, I don't know, a couple of weeks before that, on the new moon, yeah, on the new moon, so like 2 weeks ago, I did a spell on him, a communication spell, because he was like never texting me or anything. And I always had to tell him when the quiz is, and he was not really friendly or anything, and it was just not comfortable for me to have like a pop quiz partner like that. And it worked really well. He texted me a couple of times a week, even not just the day of the pop quiz, but even before for preps and things like that. And then this happens, right? And I'm like, I don't want any communication from him, and I block him everywhere. Like I just don't want this person in my life anymore. So I don't need this kind of negativity behavior. I go there to have fun. I love pub quizzes. It's just something I enjoy. And then today, around 2 p.m., he sends me a text message. So, like a text message on my phone, not WhatsApp, not any app, like actual text message. So he was blocked everywhere. Obviously, he tried to contact me, and so he's blocked. And he sends a text message, because the communication spell is still in progress. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because I know it's not the same as with an ex, obviously, because I don't really, I do care about this guy, but not romantically at all. And I did enjoy our time together on the quiz. Again, I'm not into him romantically at all. He's in a relationship. I don't even find him attractive. None of that. But I did care about him, and for a while, because I was doing the spell, obviously I did want to become closer and friendlier with him, right? So it's not that I didn't care. So now I'm giving an example. Oh, of course it's gonna work. The spells are gonna work really easily if you don't care at all. I did, and I was a bit upset yesterday with the whole thing, but I was like very, very determined in like I'm gonna block him. I'm not gonna care at all, and that's that. That's the end of the story. I was okay with this whole story to be over, with our friendship to be over, although it's not really a friendship, it's more like a hobby thing. I don't know, but I was okay with it being over, and I was like not needy for him to reach out to me, because obviously I even blocked him because I didn't want any communication from him. So the point is, I was not needy or desperate or wanting him to reach out or like needing him to reach out. Sure, I was thinking, it's not nice how this ended. I wish it hasn't. Blah blah blah, all of those things. I'm not like totally non-emotional person, but I was not needy for him or any of of those things for this communication to go on or anything. So I was not basically blocking my communication spell in any way. I was not sending any desperate needy energy. I was like really focused on me, feeling my self worth. I was thinking I'm worthy more than for someone to treat me like that. So yeah, fuck these guys. Excuse my language. I'll be fine without him. And yeah, today he found a way to contact me, even though he was blocked everywhere. So there you go. Just an evidence of how it works and how you block it, how you delay it. It happened really fast, just like that.